Hey, how familiar are you with the 2020 Toyota Avalon? Well, I'll give you a little bit of information about the vehicle. The 2020 Toyota Avalon comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. Also gets a 5-year, 60,000 mile warranty, and that's powertrain. The vehicle gets 19 miles to the gallon in the city, 22 miles to the gallon on the highway. The vehicle also comes with a 5-star crash safety rating. Three things I like about the vehicle personally. One would be the V6 dual overhead camshaft. Two would be the 9-inch touchscreen radio it has inside the vehicle. And three would be the chrome tips exhaust. Those are the three things I like about the vehicle personally, and I hope you will too. Thank you.